Are you an annoying wife? 10 maddening habits your husband hates in you. Hi friends, welcome to Marriage Realities, a comprehensive relationship channel. Today's video is all about how much your behavior irritates your husband many times in your married life. You would never acknowledge that you might be an annoying wife. You always think about yourself as a perfect wife. And the accusation that you might be an annoying wife makes you feel bewildered and confused. How can I irritate my husband when I love him so much? You defend yourself. Of course you love your husband. But in your deep love for your husband, you make a lot of unknown mistakes which makes your husband feel resentful and frustrated against you. You should accept the harsh fact that your husband feels many of your habits maddening to him. Many a time, your husband feels that you're very demanding, very nagging and very boring. Married life is comfortable and easy to live only when both play a role the right way. You like it when your husband is caring, loving, loyal, understanding and respecting. Likewise, your husband too has many expectations about you. When you're not up to the expectations of your husband, he feels annoyed and irritated. Are you wondering how you could be an annoying wife when in reality you're very loving towards your husband? Shall we have a look at how you irritate your husband? The number one annoying habit of yours is denying your husband his privacy. Do you know your husband likes his freedom more than anything else? When you dictate terms and conditions as to what your husband should do and what he should not do, he does not like it a wee bit. When you demand the attention of your husband 24/7, he feels suffocated just being married to you. When you do not allow your husband to spend personal time to fulfill his personal desires, he feels you're intruding right into his personal zone. The number two annoying habit of yours is you're always questioning and nagging. You often bombard your husband with never-ending questions. You often nag your husband about his irresponsible behavior and laziness. You ask many doubting questions about the whereabouts of your husband. You deride your husband about his negligence towards his family and children. Your nagging attitude makes your husband feel that you want him to feel that he is not good enough for the family. Your husband stamps you as an annoying wife when you drive him nuts by being too nagging and too questioning. The number three annoying habit of yours is wanting to change your husband. You feel that your husband must change in many ways so that you like him. You want your husband to dress in a way you like so that he appears trendy. In extreme cases, you want your husband to change his job as you feel the present company he is working is not good enough for him. And you drive your husband mad by making him feel that he does not know what is good for him. Your annoying habit hurts the male ego of your husband. Naturally, he hates your all-knowing attitude. The number four annoying habit of yours is involving a third-party intrusion into your personal life. When you have arguments and fights with your husband, you ask your parents, friends, relatives to advise him. You often go to your parents with a long list of complaints about your husband. Your parents too forget that your relationship problems are very personal issues between you and your husband. Their unwanted intrusion makes your husband wild with anger. Your husband hates it when your parents intervene into your family issues. The number five annoying habit of yours is you do not listen to your husband. You make the hackles of your husband rise in anger by not listening to him. You always feel that you know what is good for the family far better than your husband. So you decide arbitrarily about what should be done for the family. You thrust aside the suggestions of your husband as not good enough. Your all-knowing attitude makes the ego of your husband crushed and shattered. The number six annoying habit of yours is that you're always doubting and suspecting. You have all sort of doubts about your husband. You become suspicious when your husband is even a wee bit friendly with the opposite sex. You doubt the ability of your husband to succeed. You're forever doubtful about the loyalty of your husband. Whenever your husband is late from work, you feel that he is having fun behind your back. You do not stop at doubting your husband. You question your husband threadbare for clarifications about all your doubts, making his stay at home highly oppressive. The number 7 annoying habit of yours is always asking for an explanation. You want explanation for everything from your husband, whereas he hates giving it. If there is an argument between you and your husband, you want an explanation for his flare-up. If he is late from work, you want a thorough explanation about his delay. If your husband helps his parents, you want an explanation for that too. When your husband has to explain his every movement to you, he feels you're being unreasonable and shrewish. The number 8 annoying habit of yours is denying your husband the liberty to help his parents. You love your parents, don't you? You help them financially when they need money. But when your husband wants to help his parents, you make it into a big issue. You reel out the financial commitments of your family and fight with your husband that he does not care about it. And you needlessly degrade the family of your husband as leeching him off his money. When you block your husband from helping his parents, he inwardly curses you as a very selfish person wanting everything for yourself. The number 9 annoying habit of yours is denying your husband sex. This is a common blunder most women make, and the worst one at that. You make sex your bargaining ground. You make all sorts of demands in the weakest moment of your husband. You refuse to satisfy the physical hunger of your husband unless he fulfills your demands. When you make all sorts of demands to your husband at such an intimate moment, he rears in revulsion against you. It is sad that you do not realize that this is your worst annoying habit which makes devastating inroads into your relationship. The number 10 annoying habit of yours is wanting your husband all for yourself. After marriage, you feel that only you have all rights over your husband, and you hate to share him with others. You do not allow your husband to spend time with his parents. You would not also allow your husband to spend time with his friends. You would not allow your husband to watch his favorite TV shows either. You literally cling to your husband like a leech, demanding all this time and attention. You do not realize how much your husband is feeling suffocated and jailed by your annoying habits. If you have any of these qualities, it's time you change it. Otherwise, your husband might as well mentally withdraw away from you. Understand your husband from his male perspective. Realize his innermost emotional needs. Now, your relaxed and comfortable husband makes you feel like his queen. Did this video make you realize the annoying habits you display to the irritation of your husband? Marriage Realities will have many such relationship eye-openers. Subscribe to my channel to understand your marriage in a new light. Press the bell icon for updates about my latest relationship videos. Make love forever until death do us part your relationship goal.